Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to create a MS Excel file in a very bold manner with a mobile phone. So let's start. So before I'll start, I please share my video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's start. If you can see, I have already installed MS Excel file. If you have not installed MS Excel file, so you can store with the Play Store. Okay, so simply you need to open the MS Excel. As I have already opened, if you can see, I have created autofill series. If you have not seen how to create autofill series with a mobile phone, you can see in my previous video. I'll share my link also. Okay, so let's start. So till that, you need to create a border boldly. You need to select the cell first. Okay, as I'm dragging my mouse, then the cell has selected. If you can see, as I have selected, just below of bottom of the screen there is a tiny triangle dot, right hand side, right bottom corner. Once I tapped it, there is a border sign. If you can see, once I tapped it border sign, so many border options has came. So I'm going to simply click it all border option. If you make it all border, if you can see in the preview, all border options has already came. So this way you can create apply the border through MS Excel also. So within a very few time, I have taken and I have already explained how to create the border in with the mobile phone. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like to my channel and share it. Thanks for watching me. Bye bye, take care.